Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about how to write the VHDL code for 4-bit binary subtractor. So this is the diagram for 4-bit binary subtractor using full subtractor. Okay. So in 4-bit binary adder we have 4 full adders. Here we have 4 full subtractors. Okay. Here also I am using the binary data A and B, A3 to A0, B3 to B0. Okay. D0 to D3 gives difference. B out is the final borrow. Okay. So this is the VHDL code for 4-bit binary subtractor using full subtractor in structural model. Okay. So in every VHDL program we have entity, architecture and library part. In C programming we include header files. Here we include library on the top. Okay. First I am taking entity part. Okay. In entity part all of you know that the first line will be entity name is. Okay. In this program sub is the entity name, behavioral is the architecture name. So entity sub is. Okay. Next I am declaring input output ports of the 4-bit binary subtractor using full subtractor. Okay. So A and B are inputs. A and B are inputs. So A colon in A and B are 4-bit binary values. So A colon you have to use mode in std logic vector 3 down to 0. A of 3, A of 2, A of 1, A of 0. A of 3 is the MSB bit, A of 0 is the LSB bit. Next I am declaring B. B colon mode in std logic vector 3 down to 0. B of 3, B of 2, B of 1 and B of 0. B of 3 is the MSB bit, B of 0 is the LSB bit. Okay. You see here B in is the input. Okay. B out is the output. So B in colon in std logic. Next D3 to D0. So D all are output. So D colon out std logic vector 3 down to 0. D of 3, D of 2, D of 1, D of 0. B out is the borrow of last full subtractor. B out colon out std logic. Okay. In this borrow 0 is the output of first full subtractor, which is the input of second full subtractor. Similarly, borrow 1 is the output of second full subtractor FS1, which is the input of full subtractor FS2. Borrow 2 is the output of full subtractor FS2, which is the input of full subtractor FS3. So borrow 0, borrow 1 and borrow 2 are input as well as output. So you have to declare borrow 0, borrow 1 and borrow 2 as in out, or you can declare as a signal. Okay. Here signal borrow colon std logic vector 2 down to 0. Okay. In the entity part first line is entity name is, in this program entity name is sub. So entity sub is. before that you have to define VHDL program for full subtractor. In 4-bit subtractor we have 4 full subtractor. So before writing the program for 4-bit binary subtractor, you have to write the VHDL program for full subtractor. Here I have written the VHDL program for full subtractor. Okay. So entity, full sub is the entity name, arc is the architecture name. In full subtractor we have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. Okay. Outputs are difference and borrow. Okay. Entity full sub is, next I am declaring input output ports of full subtractor x comma y comma z colon in all our inputs. So you have to use mode in all our single bits value. So std logic, you don't need to use std logic vector. Here you have to write std logic. Next difference comma borrow, you can use difference or diff. Okay, colon out std logic, both are output. So out, both are single bit value. So I am writing std logic. End entity name full sub. Next architecture name of entity name is. Next you have to use begin. Next I am defining the logic of the full subtractor. All of you know that difference is equal to x XOR y XOR z. Borrow is equal to x bar y plus y z plus z x bar. I had a mistake here, not x and z. Okay, x bar y plus y z plus z x bar. So not x and y, or y and z, or not x and z. Here there is no y, here z. Okay. In binary adder we call full adder. Here I am calling full subtractor. Okay. So in the second line I am declaring input output ports of the 4-bit binary subtractor. So A and B are input. So A colon in std logic vector 3 down to 0 semicolon, B colon in std logic vector 3 down to 0. A and B are input. So you have to use mode in. Then A and B are 4 bits binary value. So std logic vector 3 down to 0. A of 3 is the MSB bit, A of naught is the LSB bit. Similarly B of 3 is the MSB bit, B of naught is the LSB bit. Okay. You see the diagram here. B in is the input single bit value. So B in colon in std logic. Okay. D3 to D0 are the outputs of binary subtractor. So D colon out std logic vector 3 down to 0. B out is the output which is a single bit value. So B out colon out std logic. Okay. Next in the third line end entity name. Entity name is sub. So end sub. Okay. So inside the architecture I am defining the component full subtractor. Okay. Syntax for component is, first line you have to write component, then component name. So entity name of full subtractor is full sub. So component full sub. Then you have to write the same ports of full subtractor. Okay. Next in the third line end component. Next I am declaring borrow. So signal borrow colon std logic vector 2 down to 0. Okay. Next you have to write begin. Here I am using label fs0, fs1, fs2, fs3. You can use any label. So here I am mapping full subtractor. So I am using fs0, fs1, fs2, fs3. Okay. In the first line I am calling the first full subtractor. Okay. So in this you see the fs naught, a naught, b naught, b in are inputs. Please note it, a naught, b naught and b in are inputs, d naught and borrow 0 are outputs. So I am mapping the first full subtractor. So fs colon fs0 colon calling first full subtractor. Okay, so entity name of full subtractor is full sub. So you have to write full sub. Next port map, then a naught, b naught, b in are input. So a of naught comma b of naught comma b in, then d naught borrow 0 or outputs. So d sorry not, I had a mistake here, diff is wrong, d of 0. Okay, d of 0 comma borrow of 0. Next I am mapping second full subtractor. Please note it here, a1, b1 and borrow 0 are inputs, d1 and borrow 1 are outputs. So now I am mapping second full subtractor. So fs1 colon call the same full subtractor. So full sub port map, inputs are a of 1 comma b of 1 comma borrow of 0, outputs are d of 1 comma borrow of 1. Okay, next I am mapping third full subtractor. So in fs2 a2, b2 and borrow 1 are inputs, borrow 2 and d2 are outputs. So fs2 colon, I am calling the same full subtractor. Entity name of full subtractor is full sub. So full sub. Next port map, a of 2, b of 2, borrow 1 are inputs, d2 and borrow 2 are outputs. Okay, next I am calling the last full subtractor fs3. Okay, here a3, b3, borrow 2 are inputs, d3, b out are outputs. So fs3 colon full sub port map, a of 3, b of 3, borrow 2 are inputs, d of 3 and b out are outputs. Okay, this is the VHDL program for 4-bit binary subtractor using full subtractor in structural model. Okay, thank you.